another video. Feel me? We finna get into it. We making deep fried Rice Krispies today. Know what I'm saying? Just gonna help you. What you gonna need? 1/4 of a tablespoon of butter. Miniature marshmallows. You know? You gonna need Rice Krispies. Off-brand style. Broke shit today. We gonna broke shit. We gonna need a McKinley.
You know what's going on, baby. I'm back for part 2. You know, wait, part 2. Video 2. You know what's going on. You know how we rocking, baby. But let's go. Let's get into this.
Yeah. You know what else we gonna need? We gonna need some
Boom. Y'all about to experience something new in your life with
the
this
pancake mix.
With this
Aunt Jemima's.
Aunt Jemima.
And you know what we gonna need? 2% low fat, reduced milk. Alright, let's get it poppin', y'all. First step. Alright,
I just have to make sure they can read it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Put it right here.
how you want it? Real high.
Hello? You know, we hear why he doing that. Cause he making some pancake batter. Y'all gonna know exactly what that's for when we get back at you.
Alright, y'all, now that this butter is about halfway melted down, as y'all can see, we finna add the miniature marshmallows. Put them hoes in there like that. Feel me? You know, we want to make sure that the consistency is even. You know, we're gonna add a little more. We're gonna add a little more of this. Bada boom. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Bye. McKinley broke ass stole this from Red Lobster.
Wow. You gonna indict me?
What they gonna do? Nothing.
Call the police. And you said somebody.
We putting all the Rice Krispies.
Hey y'all, this right here smells good. I'm ready to knock this back like a bowl of cereal.
We don't need this no more.
Throw a little milk in here.
But McKinley, we're not done with it.
Oh no, we not. No, we not.
We gotta wait for these Rice Krispies to cool down a little bit.
You heard?
And then we gonna be right back at you.
So our camera just died, but
you know,
this is our first one. It's finished right here.
Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
Oh,
got a little
the light.
Ooh, the light. Ooh. Look at the golden brownness. Look at the crispiness.
Finna throw another one in there.
Feel me? And we also finna do some without the batter, you know, just to see how it tastes. You know what I'm saying? Ooh.
Hello.
Ooh.
Hello.
Ooh.
Hello.
You know, with the mobile version, we get the bird's eye view. You know what I'm saying?
All of that good.
Yeah. You know, man, it's all a learning experience. I'm teaching these two how to cook. You know what I'm saying?
I know you know how to cook.
Yeah, you do, definitely. You know, that's cool right there. You know what I'm saying?
Probably a little overcooked, but it don't even matter.
Man, who really cares? I know y'all don't. Y'all not eating them. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
Smell good.
You smell good? Let's hope it tastes good too. That's ready to flip.
But what if it doesn't taste
That's
good?
ready to flip. There you go.
Everything tastes
Look
good.
at the golden brownness. Look at the consistency.
Hello.
Look at the crunchy.
Look at that.
It's good.
These is knocketh backeth.
I mean, we've never tasted these, never made these. We never even heard of this until we thought of it, really.
Man, first to ever do it.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, they make.
Hey, if y'all didn't see the Oreos, go check out the last video.
Link in the description.
Hello.
Ew.
Yup. Feel me?
Yummy.
I was looking.
Hello.
Looking good.
It's called a yummy delicious.
Let's turn this off right here. We ready to taste these motherfuckers.
You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Both of y'all grab one. Both of y'all grab one.
This one not hot.
Looks nice.
Ready?
Broke.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. It tastes like you biting into air.
For real?
Yeah. But it's cool though.
Mom, you just leave it? Wow. When? Put it.
Eat this. Hoppy? Or is it a waste of time?
You don't know waste of time. You know.
Why is that on the floor? That's the clean one.
You dropped it.
Okay, so you prefer them like that or fried?
Fried.
Fried? It is, ladies and gentlemen. It's a hit.
Hey, look, check this out. These ones over here, all right, we tried the ones fresh out the grease, right?
Right.
We finna leave these ones to cool down a little bit. See if it give it a little bit extra, little, you know, something little. You never know.
Maybe some chemical reaction gonna happen.
Something like, you know, we just trying to see what's going on. It might be better when it's room temperature.
Know
It
what
might
I'm
be
saying?
better.
It's all experimental. We just in the kitchen doing chemistry, man. You know what I'm saying?
You heard?
Something almost like art.
You heard it from Lady. Art.
That's exactly what it is.
Art and science.
Art and science combined. That is what cooking is.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Look at the golden browns. Oh my god. Look at the ease of the
It
flip.
sounds like somebody farted.
Look at the ease of the flip.
Hello. Right there.
And delectableness. Delectizableness.
Wait, what?
Delectizableness.
T.
You gotta move a little faster with them.
Yeah, you got come on.
Sorry, it's just sticking to my hand.
We should.
You know what I'm saying, y'all? We're just in the kitchen cooking chemistry, man. You know what I'm saying? Got my main man's Mac.
It's tea.
T. No. We got dinner in the back going on. We didn't cook that. McKinley's mom did that. Said thank you. Thanks, Mom. Shout out to all the moms out there, by the way. You know, that's really where we learn how to cook. From our moms, dads. For me, it was YouTube, but, you know, Food Network, Paula Deen, people like that. Respect.
So these the ones that we let sit for about 10, 15 minutes. How it taste?
This is actually really good. It's like, the flavor is there more. You know, it's got more flavor to it.
Hold on, let me try one. Oh shit. That is good. It's good. Damn. Eat one. This is good.
It's good. It's good.
You realize we eat. This is not.
Who's eat the rest of it?
No, I get.
Yeah, my stomach is so full of all the sugar.
You know what I'm saying, man? That's how we gonna close the video out. You know what I'm saying?
You make these, right? Then you set them to the side. 10, 15 minutes. Good as fuck. You probably want to throw a little bit of powdered sugar, but we didn't have no powdered sugar. So, you know. Knock it down.
We're new scientists at it in the kitchen. I'm in.
Probably so. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all.
Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twist it like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twist it like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twist it like it's stir fry. Roof.